amazing in my room because I'm going for like a neutral vibe this year. Every single person and their mum on Instagram with these slippers. They always go shopping in this little homeware shop, and I thought, you know what, let's take a trip. This was my favourite utensil of last year. It gives the whole uni experience together. Everyone is in need of this. Hey everyone, it's Georgia. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today we have a huge back to uni haul. I am literally so excited to be filming this. I've been waiting to film this video. I've been collecting all my back to uni stuff. I'm literally going to uni tomorrow, so I've got all the final bits and I'm ready to film this haul. Back to uni shopping is one of my absolute fave things to do. I love like homeware and like interior, and I feel like decorating a uni room at the minute is the closest thing I have possible to like my own flat. So that is why I absolutely love getting things ready for uni. Just a bit of adulting really, isn't it, back to uni shopping, so I absolutely love it. So we've got a complete mix in this haul. We've got B&M, we've got TK Maxx, we've got Sainsburys, we've got little cute homeware shops. We've got the whole works really, and if you are new here, I would love to have you join me and my little family. That would mean so much. I'd love for you to stick around and subscribe because I'll have so much uni content coming. The moving vlogs are going to be coming this week. We've got room transformations. So let's just get on with the video. So I feel like the first place I'll show you is actually Sainsburys. Sainsburys is like the underdog of uni shopping, I feel. I feel like nobody really goes there. Nobody really ventures into the homeware. But if you don't, you need to, because I absolutely love Sainsburys for homeware, stationery. Back to uni stationery, Sainsburys is where it's at. So first of all, I got this, which is little bunny tails. That's actually what they're called, bunny tails. I told my boyfriend, he was like, what? I was like, yeah, they're actually called bunny tails, a plant. But I got this beautiful plant which I thought would look amazing in my room because I'm going for like a neutral vibe this year. Every other year I've gone for like grey and pink, and this year I'm going for like a neutrals, that kind of vibe. I've been looking online for these and they've been like £30 honestly, and these were £8 in Sainsburys. So happy with those. I've already had a few messages over on Instagram where I got these from when I put them on my story, and they are Sainsburys. Can't wait to lay those down by my Decenio prints. Can't wait. Okay, sticking with the neutral vibes. Sainsburys had all the neutral vibes. I've also got a new folder. This was £3. I had my folder last year from Sainsburys because I just think they do the cutest designs, and this one just looked like it would match my uni room perfectly. It has like a little rose gold little clasp here, which is perfect. And then if anybody hasn't been seeing every single person and their mum on Instagram with these slippers throughout lockdown, then where have you been and who are you actually following? Because I've seen so many people rave on about these slippers, not just from Sainsburys but from everywhere. The little fluffy ones, you know, like the kind of sandal slippers, sandlippers? No, we can't combine those words, let's just not even go there. So yeah, these ones were from Sainsburys and these were £6 and I absolutely loved them. So super fluffy. These are going to go perfectly again with my neutral vibes and just the cozy room setup. That is everything I got from Sainsburys. Now we're going to move on to this really cute shop in Nottingham. It's called Sostrine Green All Around the World. I'm probably saying that wrong. All over the world. Yeah, already got it wrong. But I went into here because I always see Sophia and Chintzia. If anybody watches them, you can tell from my videos and how much I mention them, how obsessed I am with those girls. But yeah, they always go shopping in this little homeware shop, and I thought, you know what, let's take a trip. Let's see what they've got, and I picked up some cute things for my room from here as well. So the first thing I got was this little basket. As you can see, sticking with the neutrals. This was literally 62p. Can't go wrong, and this is actually perfect size to fit my little face wipes in. A little irrelevant but cute little decor for my room. I also got a little salad pot because I thought when I actually do venture into uni, I needed a new little salad box, so I thought that'd be perfect. Again, neutral vibes. Can't have any time to say neutral in this video because it's probably too many. This was £2.82. It took me a while to find out the receipt. We finally found it. This was £2.82, which I think that's really good for a little lunch box, snack box. Can't really go wrong. I then picked up this little candle holder because I thought this was the cutest thing in the whole world. Again, the neutrals, sticking in with the theme. I just thought this was super cute and pretty. And this was, how much even was this? I think this was £2.26. See, it's such good value that they do the cutest little things in there. And then I also got this little candle. If anybody saw the clip of Sophia and Chintzia picking up 1,000 candles, this was the only one I got because I wanted to get some of the long thin ones. If anybody saw this vlog I'm on about and can feel the vibes. But I thought fire hazard for me, like I would definitely knock that over and it wouldn't be good for the rest of the girls leaving my house. So I hope everyone's proud of me. This was 96p. That's not bad. That's pretty good. Less than £1 for a big fat candle. I feel like this is going to last a very long time. Does it say how long? It doesn't say how long, but I was thinking this, inside this, on the bedside table. Pretty cute. So if anybody has any ideas what I could put with this next purchase, it's this little pot. This was only 88p. How good is that? And it's just this little pot, gold lid, has like little dots around here. I just thought that was really cute for a little bit of decor. We're almost done with the decor, then we're on to more of the serious things. I just thought I'd show you the fun things first. And then the last thing I got was this sandalwood scented candle. Again, I just thought this was really, really pretty. It just had like a little cute design on here. And this was, how much were you? £2.24. I mean, all the things in that little shop are just such good value. And sorry, can we actually imagine the vibe? Hang on, the bedside table with these little features. How cute. Oh, sorry, one last thing I got from them. I actually did get a tea towel as well. Classic little purchase. Thought this was really cute. It has like a blue stripe, some white stripes. Quite cute. And this was, how much were you? This was £2.48. Quite pricey for a tea towel actually for one, but I thought it was pretty cute. So that is everything I got from that shop. Okay, so if anybody knows me, you'll know I'm picky about the most silly things, but I only like writing in black. Like, I have to write in blue. Honestly, I hate it. I hate writing in blue. So I just picked up a pack of big little rollerballs. What are they called, rollerballs? What are these called? Biros. Biros, that's the word. I got a big pack of these because I literally only use these at uni, and I thought I would stock up on some of those. I got these from B&M and they were like £1.60ish, so pretty good bargain. And then into Wilko's, I got my classic purchases. I always get these from Wilko's. So I just got a pack of like 160 pages of just lined paper. Just as essential at uni, really. Not really much else to say about that. But something there is to say, a bit of a special mention to the Wilko's little plastic wallets. These are better than any plastic wallets you've ever tried. They're like silky smooth. Should we just get one out and live the whole uni experience together? They're like, oh, silky smooth. They're so thick. They keep your work pristine. I hate anything like crumpled or messy, like no. So that is nice, just to keep it all nice and together. So I've got these. These are gonna go straight in my little folder, ready to be all prepared and organised this year for uni from home. Not looking forward to it, but anyway, we'll move on. So a couple of kitchen essentials, we just go on to those. So first one from TK Maxx. This is actually the only thing I got from TK Maxx this year for back to uni. TK Maxx were not impressing me. I was actually very disappointed with TK Maxx. Usually I come out with a bag like this big for uni, and I came out with a purchase this small. But I got some tea towels. I just thought these are really cute. They're like white with like lemon little stripes. If anybody thinks I'm being excessive with the tea towels, trust me, when you've been at uni for a year or so, you'll know that having a nice fresh tea towel is just a bit of a luxury, to be honest. I don't know why I'm getting so excited about it, but when your tea towel's a bit wet and damp, it's just not the one. When you can whip out a new, fresh, clean, dry one, it's just the best thing. So I picked up some of these. This pack was £3.99 for 5 tea towels, which I thought was really, really good. And me and my friend were shopping together, uni shopping, and we split it. I ended up with 3, so thanks to her for letting me have the extra one. But yeah, I got some tea towels. Then we've got the big boy, we've got the big essential uni purchase that everyone needs. Everyone is in need of this. A good pan. So I feel like a mum saying this. Like, you know, you're getting older when things like this are actually exciting you. I've got a Tefal pan, I don't know how you say it. But these are like a really good brand of pans. I think adulting things, these are really good. And trust me, having a good non-stick pan speeds everything up in the kitchen. Like, well, who am I? Like, why am I talking like this? But it's so true. So I treated myself this year. It's like a proper sturdy one, non-stick bottom. Best believe in all my uni vlogs, you'll be seeing me making chicken pad thais. You'll be seeing me making stir fries in this. So stick around if you want to see all the vlogs and the dinners made in this, because I'm so excited about it with my new fresh pan. Last year I had one from Wilko. Wasn't the best, wasn't the sturdiest. And now I've got a good old branded one. And then this was my favourite utensil of last year. Again, such an adulting thing to say, but I loved these. These are so good for like flipping things, like stirring things. Just a really good tool. So I got one of these as well. This is another Tefal one, and this was £3. Oh yeah, the pan was, it's priceless, but I'm pretty sure it was £12. So £12 and £3, and I got these from a designer outlet. So I think usually these kind of pans are a lot more expensive, but got them from a designer outlet, so I'm feeling very bougie with my pans this year. Going on to another room, we've done bedroom, we've done kitchen, and moving on to bathroom. I got myself a new toothbrush this year. I don't know why I've bought all these really boring things that are really exciting to me, clearly. I'm apologising if anybody's finding this whole boring. I did put exciting things at the start, so, you know. I also got a toothbrush. I just got an Oral-B, like, electric toothbrush. It came with a toothpaste inside, cheeky little toothpaste. cheeky little stand. I actually, fun fact, lost mine from second year, so we have a new one, new and shiny this year, and she's ready to go. So excited to use this. That is the next thing I got. Okay, and then finally a couple more things to the bathroom. I got a Batiste dry shampoo. I think I got this from Body Care. It was like £2.50 or something. And I also picked up my deodorant, Mitchum. Can't go wrong with Mitchum. This is my favourite brand. In case anyone was wondering what deodorant I use, you were definitely not wondering that. Why am I such a weirdo? You weren't wondering that, but I told you anyway. And also a multi-pack of simple face wipes. These are my fave face wipes. Shall I just demonstrate to you what I meant earlier? Sorry, this is probably not going to excite you, but it very much excites me. Perfect size. I mean, who's gonna have the bougiest, that's not a thing, who's gonna have the bougiest face wipes and face wipes holder on the side of their bed? Raise your hand. And then last but not least, the coziest purchase of the haul is this little blanket from Primark. It's just a white fluffy one. I feel like you can't go wrong with Primark blankets. This was only £5, and I thought again it would go well with the neutral white vibes going on. If anybody's interested in seeing this all come to life, then the room tour will be posted within the next week or 2 weeks, so I'd absolutely love you all to stick around. Join the little family and subscribe if you want to see all the other uni content. This is the time of year that I feel like I get so excited. We've just done the holiday vlogs, the classic turkey vlogs, and now we are heading back to uni. Autumnal content, Starbucks pumpkin spice frappuccinos are coming out. We've got back to uni, we've got homeware hauls, we've got uni decor hauls, we've got room tours. Just so excited about it. So if you have made it all the way to the end of this video, I feel like we're just meant to be, we're just best friends, and I would love for you all to stick around, join the little family and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.